JAWS Professional line includes an extensive offering of concentrated formulas that are available in various pack types for convenient, sustainable, closed-loop proportioning at the point of use. Through innovative packaging and formulation, JAWS provides budget-friendly advantages not found in traditional ready-to-use products by just adding water. Featured in the JAWS Professional lineup are JAWS cartridges, the industry innovator. Powerful, effective, and fast-acting formulas concentrated in cartridges for a simplified clean. Requiring zero equipment or installs, JAWS cartridges offer users convenient and accurate dilution, all on one safer, closed-loop system. One 10-milliliter cartridge makes 32 ounces of ready-to-use cleaner. Bottles can be reused time and time again by simply adding another refill cartridge. For easy bucket fill, portion pouch concentrates deliver the precise amount of concentrate needed for mopping applications. It's simple, no dispensing is required, and it eliminates user error. Lose the measuring cup along with the mess with the squeeze and pour. These user-friendly twin neck bottles measure and pour solution with a simple squeeze. JAWS Professional iDispense takes the work out of accurate dilution. Dispensing directly from the bottle offers users a maintenance-free dilution control system, from disinfecting to degreasing. Designed with safety, accuracy, and reliability in mind, iDispense is the on-the-go dilution solution for bottle-to-bucket filling. For easy, low-maintenance, closed-loop dispensing, wall-mount packaging provides users accurate dilution without hoses, tubes, or check valves. Give users a convenient way to clean, offer innovative dilution solutions, and provide customers valuable cost savings with JAWS Professional from Canberra.